Does your media area look like this? Stick around to learn if this could be costing you thousands of dollars and how to avoid it. Hi, my name is Mike Goodwin and welcome to the Graphic Insights channel. I'm here to help you grow your wide format graphics business by providing sales and marketing strategies, how-to videos, media equipment reviews, industry news, and more. Your wall probably consists of some wrap film, some thick vinyl for stickers, holographic film for labels, an Aerograss media gloss and matte, cheap calendar vinyl, and cheap vinyl that smells more like a shower curtain for those customers who refuse to pay more than $20 for a sign. You probably have some 10, 13, and 18 ounce banner, some matte, some gloss, probably a roll of paper, a roll of backlit vinyl, maybe even some frosted vinyl, and a roll of static cling. We won't even get into the laminates. First, all of those rolls have been paid for, and it's all money sitting on your floor, even if the job you purchased it for paid for the roll initially. You have not achieved your full profitability as long as that roll still sits around. Second, all of those rolls have a shelf life, typically around a year. That's not a year from when you purchased them, but more of a year from when they were manufactured. Now, we all know that when they expire, they won't shrivel up and fall off whatever they're stuck to, but the performance and life expectancy will start to decrease. Here's a tip. You should be marking your rolls with the purchase date and the roll length left to keep track at a quick glance. Third, one roll falls and they all could fall. This could damage rolls, damage equipment, and potentially contaminate the roll with dirt and dust. It's best to store rolls on a cart or a wall rack. Here's a tip. Don't store your rolls right next to your printer. I have seen rolls fall over and damage or take out the USB and Ethernet connections on printers and cutters. Those connections are typically part of the mainboard and will have to be replaced rather than be repaired. The cost to replace the mainboard could be thousands of dollars. The easiest way to avoid stocking multiple rolls is to standardize your sales. Offering decals and banners and posters allow you to stock 3 to 5 media types and cover most mainstream applications. Stocking a gloss 3 to 6 mil vinyl for standard decals, a 13 ounce gloss banner, and a gloss photo paper for posters. You can stock matte versions of these media types and potentially charge more for deviating from your standard offerings to help cover your costs of carrying additional rolls in your inventory. If your shop focuses on vehicle wraps, decide on a wrap vinyl with a good print, install, and price balance, and offer 3 laminate finishes, either gloss, satin, or matte. Decide if you should carry a calendared film or charge a little more and print on wrap film for all your projects. When carrying multiple media types, you risk making more printing mistakes, forgetting to change the color profile or forgetting to change the head height or media feed on the printer. These mistakes are probably more frequent, especially if you have more than one person running your equipment. Any money saved by carrying multiple medias can quickly be lost in reprints. A benefit of stocking fewer medias might give you the ability to negotiate better prices with your suppliers. Limiting purchases to 3 or 5 products allows for more focused medias and could lead to discounts for volume purchases. Here's a tip. If you're not, you should always ask your distributor if there's anything else you can do differently to save money. If you do find yourself with a bunch of unique media types left over from other projects, make sure you're printing some samples and leaving them out where your customers can see them. Not only will it help you sell other media, but it starts a conversation of what other projects you can help them with. If you found value in this video, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. But if you want to know even more, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification so you never miss when new content is uploaded. Thanks for watching.